Hi guys, today's video we're going to check out the 5 best airbrush kit on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Nasedal NT19B Airbrush Kit. The Nasedal NT19B Airbrush Kit is a versatile tool designed for both beginners and seasoned artists. It features a sleek silver and black design made from high-quality materials like aluminum, copper, rubber, nylon, and plastic. The kit has a versatile power input range of 100 to 250 V and 50-60 Hz, ensuring energy efficiency. It delivers a consistent air output of 10 LPM, allowing artists to focus on their creativity without interruptions. The kit comes with multiple plug options, including Europe, US, UK, and AU plugs, enhancing accessibility. The kit operates with a maximum pressure of 25 psi, allowing for precise control over paint flow. Its fine 0.3mm nozzle diameter ensures detailed work. The kit also has a 7cc fluid cup capacity, reducing the need for frequent refills. The 1/8 diameter hose with a length of 1.8 meters (5.9 feet) offers flexibility and freedom of movement. The compact air compressor ensures easy handling and storage. The portable airbrush measures 14.7 to 2.88.5 centimeters, allowing artists to comfortably maneuver it for extended periods without fatigue. Number 4. MAZHA TAB06B Airbrush Kit. The MAZHA TAB06B Airbrush Kit is a versatile and reliable tool for artists, hobbyists, and professionals. It features 3 interchangeable nozzles with different diameters, allowing for a range of spraying options. The kit also has an adjustable fluid cup capacity of 7cc, 20cc, and 40cc, making it suitable for various projects. Made from high-quality materials like aluminum, copper, rubber, nylon, and plastic, it ensures durability and a smooth painting experience. The kit also includes a 1/8 diameter hose for precise control over airflow, allowing for desired spray patterns and consistency. The 1.8 meters (5.9 feet) air hose provides a comfortable working range, making it suitable for various workspaces and artistic setups. Number 3. Foreverlily LMH190801 Airbrush Kit. The foreverlily LMH190801 Airbrush Kit is a revolutionary skincare and beauty tool designed to enhance your daily routine. It offers versatile functionality, including skin rejuvenation, moisture infusion, and effective facial cleansing. The kit is USB powered, making it convenient to connect to various power sources. Its compact size of 23.0018.006.00 makes it an ideal on-the-go beauty companion. The LMH190801 is made with precision and care through a handmade manufacturing process, ensuring longevity and durability. The kit is built with high-quality metal materials, exuding a sense of luxury and durability. The brand is reputable, originating from mainland China, a hub of technological advancement. The LMH190801 comes as a single-unit package, simplifying your beauty routine. It is ideal for nail art, airbrush painting, makeup application, and face water mist and nano fog sprayer. The kit also features a mini spray gun with compressor, airbrush makeup application, and a face water mist and nano fog sprayer for hydration and revitalization. The LMH190801 is a standout product in the beauty and skincare industry. Number 2. Yarboly Airbrush Kit. The Yarboly Airbrush Kit is a high-quality airbrush designed to enhance artistic endeavors. Its elegant silver and black color scheme and sturdy build make it a professional and sleek tool. The kit's wide voltage range, 100 to 250 V and 50-60 Hz, makes it suitable for artists working in different locations or countries. Its 12 V output ensures consistent performance with a 0.6 A max input for energy efficiency. The kit's optimal air output of 10 LPM and 25 psi max pressure ensures steady and controlled airflow, allowing artists to achieve fine details and smooth gradients. The 0.3mm nozzle diameter and 7cc fluid cup capacity provide a balance between holding paint and maintaining a comfortable weight. The kit comes with an EU plug type, ensuring compatibility with European power outlets, eliminating the need for adapters or additional accessories. Number 1. Peicon 616B Airbrush Kit. The Peicon 616B Airbrush Kit is a revolutionary skincare and beauty tool Designed to enhance skin moisture effortlessly, it features cutting-edge technology, a rechargeable battery, and premium build quality crafted from high-quality metal. The kit is designed to cater to both seasoned beauty professionals and skincare enthusiasts, offering a seamless and enjoyable user experience. The peicon 616B is manufactured in mainland China, a hub of technological advancement, showcasing the exceptional craftsmanship and ingenuity that mainland China brings to the beauty industry. The kit is also certified for quality with the C certification, ensuring it complies with European safety standards. This makes it a must-have for anyone looking to improve their skincare routine. The peicon 616B Airbrush Kit is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence and innovation in the beauty industry. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.